The electricians came by today and almost finished roughing in everything in the basement. So you have the pot lights, you have the plugs and switches on the walls, on the perimeter. There's gonna be a TV installed in this area here. So you have the TV plugs, and there's gonna be some speakers as well, which are gonna be installed next week, the rough-ins. And this area over here, you have some more pot lights in this area. And the future basement kitchen area, all the valence wiring and the fridge. There's gonna be a double wall oven there. And you have a range top, an electric range top going in this area here. And just a bunch of counter plugs around the rest of the kitchen, as well as the center island, which is gonna go in this area here. And some more pot lights on the ceiling. So it's coming along nicely, just a couple more days and it should be completed. And we are ready for the next stage, as I mentioned before, which is going to be insulation and then drywall and onto the finishing stages of this renovation.